So what's going on, man? It's your boy Lens and I'm back pour l'autre vidéo, man. So, m'a fait ça intro ça bien rapide parce que Mennaj m'a peut-être me dire il fâche avec moi depuis avant il me fâche avec tout. So, you know, nous avons des discussions qu'on est couple tout, des discussions, so, you know. And m'gouche la caméra bi pour m'tap faire quelques activités puis il dit you know what? Oh, by the way, ça son nouveau vlog. Il dit you know what? Oh, get dressed, do pas l'autre côté. Là, il juste pour machine, il conduit et puis il guitare relem. Il même dit rien quoi, il dit get dressed et puis pour l'autre côté. So I'm like, alright. I'm gonna get dressed, you know what I'm saying? It's a mitsune. I don't know if you can see that shit, but don't worry about bike sale, okay? Pas préoccupé de ça sale, but you know. Bon pour caméra, ça introduction so I'm just you know what from on introduction bien rapide pour nous, so you know what? Bon pour caméra maybe pour nous dans histoire, gagner la histoire avec, okay yo. Let's do it. You good, baby?
I'm blessed.
What up, me? Ouais, mais comme même matin, même pour dire
comment
on les fait, comment j'ai pas care. You don't give a fuck about me, man.
Just like you don't about me.
Baby, please, alright? Please. Stop it. You know I do care about
Care more
yourself.
about that damn girl.
Who? Man, you know what? On veut comment son bagage qui pas bon là, m'ba vle parler d'elle. Et après ça va give a fuck si me manger juste de pas dire. You don't give a fuck. You don't give a fuck, man. Ou bien vaquer, je dis.
Let's go.
Première fois font pas qu'une 10 comme ça. Quelle alors pas bien avec ou bien like quelle forme c'est comme dans vous. It's all vle dire anyway.
Yep.
It's all vle dire. Babe, what?
Stop dragging me.
I'm not dragging you. I'm just trying to give you some cases, you know what I'm saying? Nah, baby. Vous n'avez pas posé chez? Hein? What besoin dans ce store là? Nous avons juste besoin d'excuses pour qu'elle vienne.
No, actually,
No?
my mom needs some stuff.
Oh, my. So, pas besoin de me dire oui.
No.
Anyways. Shit, what did I do, man? See wrong. God damn it. Ça me fait qu'il see wrong, man. Font bail qui est vraiment grave, man. But I'm sorry, alright. Hell no, like, nah. Billy what? Start right? Oh. Let me show you the outfit, man. Alright? Vamos monter no saco soon, man. Come on now. Come on, man. Get that shit real quick. Hard to flex a little bit, man. Come on.
No, because last time I gave you Oreos, you ate. Yeah?
So you wanna find a gentleman? Alright, go find a gentleman.
I might as well.
Go find one. Go find one.
Look at my silence.
S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît, baby. Just this, s'il vous plaît. Ah, yeah, I got it. Shit, man. You don't have to be mad like that. What did I do, man? Hey, Mwen innocent, man. I swear to God. Innocent. Bah, faut rien du tout. Come on now.
Can you grab that?
This one. Which one?
This.
Alright, hold on. Vous pouvez me jeter de l'eau ça? Mais,
Not you recording my mess.
it's okay, baby. Never mind.
What reason gaspiller de l'eau, man?
Tu n'as pas de l'eau ça, bon, pas besoin.
Moi, j'étais dans la garbage, on l'autre monde qui a thirsty le prendre.
Ou thirsty, man, achète de l'eau.
Yes, I am.
Ma vie que j'ai ça. I'm just marié avec son disque là.
Bending your back, passing up. That's your telephone.
Mba conduire machine et peut-être ça, mba conduire. Now we go to the machine work.
You know what color would look good on you? Orange.
Thank you, baby.
What are you doing? So you can't go pause later on and look.
Yeah.
That shit did not update yet, so I don't care.
Say that, baby.
Credit karma showing
Why you give a fuck about the credit score, man? I got a good credit score, man. Why you give a fuck about yours?
I gotta have a good credit score.
For what?
Too. So when we put together, we
Nigga,
can get a
I don't
nice...
care about you. Oh, Elan here. Elan vini here. Elan tout prem nan la men. Pas so kote lon da wale. Nigga, we good. They be know white people. They be know white people we safe. You know what I'm saying? We safe because you have fun, shit. You have fun,
Oh, din nou sa?
You have fun, bro.
Aranje ko nou.
Ça moun sa pale la men. Ki ba politik moun sa pale la men.
Gale l'église yo soti.
Juste samedi. Juste samedi l'église.
Ou konen gen moun ki te apren polis?
Ah, moun an l'église samedi. So yeah, baby. I don't give a fuck if you pay your student loan or what. I don't give a fuck, cause I got a good credit score. So I don't. Bro,
No, I need a good credit score.
Why?
Too. Remember, I mean, one time you told me, I don't know, or I was watching a video, like, if I'm gone, like, how you gonna manage this, that?
Damn, you think I'm gonna go that fast?
No, nigga, not leave me.
No, I'm telling you, like, dead and shit. Damn, baby.
No.
It's crazy. No, I was telling you that because I want you to learn shit like that.
Okay,
you know what I'm saying?
Then.
Not because I'm gonna be gone like
no,
that.
not gone dead. Like, let's say, God forbid, you became crippled.
What do you mean crippled? What do you mean?
Or you work too hard, you tired, or you in the hospital for like a month. I gotta pick it up.
I found man, nigga. They been get bring them kapale, man. I'm gonna be okay, man. I'm gonna just tell you what to do. I don't know, but baby, since you wanna, I mean, you right. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
you're your own person. I feel you.
We're partners. I gotta.
Yeah.
You know.
But that's the kind of shit you gotta do for your fucking kids. You know what I mean? The kids, so I bring you Finland, man. It's like you gotta have shit set up for them. You know what I'm saying? I don't want my kids to have like work, like to be in some shit for credit score. That nigga or that girl gonna be okay with the credit shit. I'm telling you, cause they be fit when mama just to put that nigga on some how do I call this shit again?
I get what you're saying.
Yeah. But hey. À 18 ans, faut me c'est comment machine the scat pack or I don't know, demon, get demon.
What the girl gonna have?
A fucking Tesla? Get a Tesla, girl.
Fuck no.
No, wash el bully. So
I'm against Teslas.
Wash el bully, ele
Teslas
be
are
Tesla.
not safe.
But yeah, man. Petite garçon, man.
If you love your daughter, don't give her a Tesla. Teslas are not safe.
Petite garçon, pour petite garçon, moi-même, monsieur da supposé que. Monsieur da supposé.
Them finna drive through window of our work.
They said good here. With this over the same, bro. Like white people of the God deal, we got deal, man. Black people toujours fait bagay nonsense. Les devant ba les ouvert pour le cacher. Fucking, you know. But anyways, man.
Kote moun ya pale la nan bay sa.
Yeah. But anyway.
La sam scientifique te vin kontre nou.
Anywho. Faut qu'on blanc fait. Faut gen bras qui fait, you know what I'm saying? And yeah.
I wonder, does drive-thrus have cameras? Yeah?
Yeah. Sou faut ba yap ke boue. On bat ne ki tire tête li just parce que il a filmé. On ba comme ça moi ka passer sur tête là. Nègre tout tête. Li vini sans pantalon, de la masturber pendant.
Oh, I sent you that.
Oh yeah, you sent me that shit.
But the thing is, Fiat company different up record with her phone. But I'm saying like, cause you see when a car pull up, it's like how do they know a car pulled up?
You can caméra dans bas là men. Et m'pense est-ce que devant la cala comme c'est pour gate là, là devant porte là l'ouvert pour col.
It's a sensor.
Yes, sa gen do a gen tou. E gen do a gen. But you know, everything is fucking crazy now.
Let me put my glasses on.
So you can see.
Leave me alone.
You know what we're getting, right? You know what we're getting. So yeah, man. I just want my kids to be good, man. To be good in life, you know what I'm saying? And tout ba ma va apprendre yo la, tout ba yo ma fait apprendre just for them, you know what I'm saying? For myself as well, but
Putain non ba pale. Ki machine ka pou de la?
get it. Oh.
I don't think it's
Gilles
the-
juste devant, chez. Gilles juste devant.
Yeah, maybe, because I'm confused.
Yeah. So yeah, man. That's for my future self, man. I think you're gonna be good, bro. I think you're gonna.
We will be good.
Yeah, we will.
I'm about to save so good this year. My budget is $200.
You gonna leave for that?
I'm gonna just save everything else. I'm gonna try, yeah.
Damn.
Like right now, I have two. Like I already subtract everything. Like I already put money in my savings, and the money I have left on my checking, I already subtract my car insurance money and stuff, my phone bill, and I had like $200 left for myself, $270, and I already paid $155 student loan, so now I have $100 to my next paycheck.
Damn, nigga gonna
So
starve.
I gotta
man.
live off $100 till my next paycheck.
Damn, nigga, you just gonna starve like
That's
that,
okay.
bro. Fuck. Shit getting dip, man.
Or just eat at home. It's okay.
Shit. Who said that? Who's you? Eat at home?
You said she's getting dick. You said that.
No,
shit.
I said shit getting deep. You know what I'm saying, baby? So yeah, man.
I
Alright.
think I ordered up front. Go back some?
Ça va bon, monsieur. Bon, bah là pas blanche comme ça, même. Ça, oh, ça est mango. Non, ça va bon. Yeah. Si je gagne même quantité d'argent avec Elon Musk, je tap tellement gen ti moun. Je tap gen ti moun Jamaican, je tap gen ti moun Colombien, Brazilian. Bon mati, man. D'abord tout côté me tap fait ti moun, I swear to God. If him bring two.
Take care of who going through.
No, me tap bring everybody in America. I show big mansion et puis just mettre yo. Maman yo aussi yo. Cause we get to wealth ça, man. Just who we start faire là, man. L'homme mourir for what?
Oh, so they get l'argent Elon Musk?
Yes.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
I
No.
think that's what that lady's name. I think
Angelina,
something.
yeah, Angelina. Brad Pitt avec Angelina, right? Yeah. And this is that sauce.